don't know what that means.
The holiday spirit, it stings and burns. But that's not enough for the tide to turn.
We brought him down.
He's not defeated yet. The electricity just isn't enough to keep the projector working. We need more.
I noticed precisely that while viewing your progress from our ship. Meet me at the clock tower and I will increase the power. And it is a pleasure to meet you, Senna.
Where's that floating tin can? Up! At the top of the clock tower!
Keep Claus's minions from hurting me while I set up a conductor on this antenna.
Is this what I think it is?
A storm is brewing. Lightning is sure to strike. What a wonderful idea.
Yep, it is. You know what happened to the North Pole?
Sadly, I do. Claus has shown me images of an attack on my workshop. My head elf, Twinkle, has even joined with him.
He's the one who took my arm.
I'm sorry, wife. But there is hope. The rest of the elves are being led by Pinsir against Claus's naughty forces.
And Mary?
Don't worry about Mrs. Claus, John. I'm sure she can take care of herself and the North Pole until we arrive.
That's good to hear. Claus gets his hands on the North Pole, and we're in serious trouble.
I need you to put your tongue on the pole to help conduct the electricity.
The fuck you say? Not in front of Santa. Can we focus on how Sid wants lightning to hit me?
No. Well then, I dare you.
Hell no. But this has to be done. Fine. I double dog dare you. Now you two, are you both insane?
Then you leave me no choice. I triple dog dare you.
Well now, you know what that means, don't you?
Jesus, are you alright? Conde, I'm not talking to you right now.
The power is restored. Good luck defeating Claus.
I can feel the people in town filling with cheer. Hurry! We must return to the drive-in.
This may be the strangest thing I've ever done.
The spirit's alive, but still I live. Come face me now. There's punishment to give.
Don't let him fool you.
Keep your suit on, Santa. I got this.
The holiday here you cannot save. I will not go to an early grave.
Quit with the posturing. You're going down, Claus. Wait! What are you doing? Oh my god! I had him, I swear I did.
You cannot defeat Claus by doing naughty deeds, for those are what he thrives on.
Claus is going after the North Pole, and we have to stop him.
Indeed, you are correct. We cannot leave Mary and the elves to face him alone.
Wait, we're actually going to the North Pole? I finally get to see it before it's been destroyed.
And perhaps make sure it never is.
Claus has taken over Santa's workshop. He plans to deliver bombs and guns to children instead of, you know, dolls and trucks or whatever it is kids from your time like. The elves have mounted a resistance, but they will fail unless you help them. If Claus succeeds, the holidays are doomed. You must stop him.
Here we are. My workshop is just ahead. Though it's hard to say what Claus has turned it into.
Is Mrs. Claus gonna be okay?
Oh, I wouldn't worry. If I know my wife, I bet she's decking the halls as we speak. Those savages have set my prized pile aflame. And is that Dancer? Prancer? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, sweet Cupid. Vixen, what have they done?
Santa, hit the deck!
I didn't come here to observe, child. I'm taking the North Pole back.
Yes, Santa, you tell him!
Santa! Big Christmas here.
What's going on, Vincent?
Claus has taken over the workshop. He's turned Twinkle and the boys from shipping and receiving against us.
Claus isn't going to get away with it.
Twinkle even created a fleet of evil mechanical reindeer.
So this is where the reign of mechanical animals began.